Hello everyone, welcome to Math Expedite. This is Dr. Sindhu. Today we will discuss how to solve an equation under simple equations. Okay, so here let us consider a equality. Okay, example would be 8 minus 3 equals 4 plus 1. What is 8 minus 3? It is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. So we all know here in equality LHS is equal to RHS. What does it mean? Left hand side of the equality sign is equal to the right hand side of the equality sign. Now let us do one thing. Let us add same number on both the sides and see whether the equality holds or not. Okay. So 8 minus 3 plus 2 equals 4 plus 1 plus 2. Okay. 8 minus 3 is 5 plus 2, it is 7. Here 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, here we can see that equality holds if we add same number on both sides of the equality. Okay, so now let us subtract same number from both the sides and see what happens. Okay, so 8 minus 3 equals 4 plus 1 minus 3. So 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay. Here 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. Again we see equality holds even if we subtract same number from both the sides. Next, let us multiply same number and see what happens. Okay. So we will take 5. Okay. 5 multiplied by 8 minus 3 equals 5 multiplied by 4 plus 1. So here 5 into what is 8 minus 3? 8 minus 3 is again 5, which is equal to 5 into 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5 5s are 25. Here also 5 5s are 25. So if I multiply by same number on both sides of the equality still holds. So now let us divide and see. Okay, let us divide by 2. Okay, so 8 minus 3 divided by 2 equals 4 plus 1 divided by 2. So 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 divided by 2 equals 4 plus 1 is 5 divided by 2. How do we write this? 5 divided by 2 equals 5 divided by 2. Now again equality holds. So here we can say that if we add, subtract, multiply or divide by the same number on both the sides, still equality holds. These conclusions are valid for equation as well. Because in the equation, the variables are just numbers. Equations are like weighing machine where both the sides will weigh equally. Okay, let us solve few equations by using the principles. Consider x plus 3 is equal to 8. Here, I'll be subtracting this equation by 3 on both the sides. We know if we subtract both the sides by the same number, still equality holds. So what happens here? 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So x equals 8 minus 3 is 5. The question here would be, why did I choose 3 to subtract? Because I am considering 3 so that I will reduce the LHS, this LHS to only x. Okay, let us consider one more example. X minus 3 is equal to 10. Here, I want to reduce this LHS to x. So what will I do? I will add 3 because we have minus 3 here. So I need to add 3 to reduce the left hand side to x. So I need to add both the sides with 3. So here minus 3 and plus 3 is 0. So x equals 13. Let us consider one more example. Here 5y equals 35. Here can you tell me what I have to do to reduce the LHS to only y? So what will I do? 5y divided by 5 equals 35 divided by 5. Remember, we need to add or subtract or multiply or divide by same number on both the sides. Then only equality will hold. The equation will remain unchanged. So here what will happen? 5 cancel. So y equals, here 5 sevens are, so y equals 7. Let us consider one more example. M divided by 2 equals 8. So how do I reduce LHS to M? So here I have to multiply this by 2 on both the sides. So M divided by 2 into 2 equals 8 into 2. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. M equals 16. So let us use these principles in our exercises and solve the equations. Let us consider some more examples. Here you can see 3n plus 7 is equal to 25. So what we have to do? First, we are subtracting both sides from 7. Okay. Then we will get 3n is equal to 18. Now we further have to reduce to get n. So what we will do? We will divide both the sides by 3. So we will get n is equal to 6. Second one, 2p minus 1 is equal to 23. So can you guess which is the number I have to add on both the sides? It is 1. 2p minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 23 plus 1. So I get 2p equals 24. Now to get only p, how do I reduce this? I will divide both the sides by 2. So I will get 12. So whatever the solution we get, we can verify them by substituting the answer. So here you can see n is equal to 6. So what is the equation? 3n plus 7 equals 25. Here 3 into n is 6 plus 7 equals 25. 3 6 are 18 plus 7 is equal to 25. So what am I getting here? 25, which is equal to 25. So the answer which I got was correct. So here let us substitute p as 12. 2 into 12 minus 1 is equal to 23. 12 2s are 24 minus 1 equals 23. So I'm getting 23, which is equal to 23. So p equals to 12 is the correct answer. Let's solve this one. 4x plus 5 equals 65. So if I have to simplify further to get x, so here first let me solve this number. So it is plus 5, so I will take it as minus 5 and I'll subtract both the sides with minus 5. 4x plus 5 minus 5 equals 65 minus 5. So I will get 4x equals to 60. Here further I have to reduce, so I will divide by 4. So 4x divided by 4 equals 60 divided by 4. So x equals 4 1s are 4 5s are. So it is 15. This one here 10y minus 20. So should I add or subtract? I have to add here. So what is the number? 20. So 20, which is equal to 50 plus 20. So here I'll get 10y equals 70. So now 10y. So what I have to do? I have to divide both the sides by 10. So 10y divided by 10 equals 70 divided by 10. I get y equal to 7. So what is the further step? I need to verify my answer. How do I verify? I will substitute whatever the answer I've got to the original equation. So x was 15. Here 4 into 15 plus 5 equals 65. So 15 4s are 60 plus 5 equals 65. So what am I getting here? 65, which is definitely equal to right hand side. So the answer which I got was correct. So here y equals 7. So 10 into 7 minus 20 equals 50. So 10 7s is 70 minus 20 equals 50. I am getting 50 here, which is equal to 50. So y equal to 7 is the correct answer for 10y minus 20 equals to 50. Till now, we were solving equation either by adding, subtracting, multiplying or dividing the same number on both the sides. Let us learn transposing method. So here I'll teach you both the methods, how they are different but yet you'll get the same solution. So this side I'll be doing addition or subtraction on both sides. Here I will use transposing method. Okay, let us take the equation. 3p minus 10 equals 5. How do we do that? We are already aware. So what we are doing? We are adding plus 10. Isn't it? 3p minus 10 is plus 10 equals 5 plus 10. So 3p is equals to 15. Correct? Now, this side, let us use transposing method. 3p minus 10 equals 5. What is this transposing method? I will transpose the number which is on the left hand side or the right hand side to the other side. Okay? At the same time, what happens? The sign also will change. See here, 3p is equal to 5. What did I say? We're transposing 10 from left hand side to the right hand side. But what is happening? The sign which it is carrying also will change. So here it is minus 10. So it becomes plus 10. So 3p equals 15. Did we get the same answer by both the methods? But they are different. So we have learned transposing method of solving the equation. Let's solve these equations. Here, see, we have 4 multiplied by m plus 3, which is equal to 18. So how do we do that? We have to divide by 4 on both the sides. So what do we get? After I divide by 4, I will get m plus 3, which is equal to 18 by 4. Further, if I simplify, I get m plus 3 equals 9 by 2. Here, we'll use transposing method to solve further. So what am I doing? M is equal to 9 by 2. I am transposing 3 to the right hand side. So what happens? I have to change the sign as well. So I will write minus 3. How do I solve this? I have to use LCM method. 9 by 2 minus 3, which is equal to, LCM would be 2. So 9 minus 6, which is equal to 3 by 2. So the answer is 3 by 2. Now what we have to do? We have to verify it. So here 4 into 3 by 2 plus 3 equals 18. So m into LCM is 2, 3 plus 6, which is equal to 18. 4 into 9 by 2, which is equal to 18. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. So 9 twos are 18, which is equal to 18. So the answer m is equal to 3 by 2 is the correct solution for this equation. Now let us solve the second one. What we have here? We have minus 2 into x plus 3 equals 8. So we have to divide by minus 2 on both the sides. What do we get? X plus 3 equals minus 8 by 2. So further, x plus 3 is equal to minus 4. So let us transpose plus 3. So what we will get? X equals minus 4 minus 3. X equals minus 7. So let's verify now. Minus 2 into minus 7 plus 3, which is equal to 8. So minus 2 into minus 7 plus 3, I get minus 4, which is equal to 8. We all know minus into minus is plus. So 4 into 2 is 8, which is equal to 8. So x minus 7 is the right answer. Now let us come to application of simple equation to practical solutions. So let us take an example. The sum of 3 times a number and 11 is 32. Find the number. Let us take this unknown number as x. Let the number be x. What they have given in the question? The sum of 3 times a number. So 3 times the number x will be 3x, correct? Then the sum of 3 times a number and 11. So what is the sum of 3 times a number? It is 3x plus 11 is equal to how much? 32. So we got the equation. Now we have to solve it. So here we'll use transposing method. 3x equal to 32 minus 11. 3x equal to 21. So x is equal to 21 divided by 3. X equal to 7. I've always told we have to re-verify the solution. So let us apply this x equal to 7 in this equation. So 3 into 7 plus 11 equals 32. 3 sevens are 21 plus 11 equals 32. So 32 is equal to 32. So x equal to 7 is the correct solution. Next example. Find a number such that 1/4 of the number is 3 more than 7. Here let us consider the number as y. Next, what they have said, 1/4 of the number. So let us see what becomes 1/4. 1/4 of the number will be y by 4. Okay. Again, let us read the question. Find a number such that 1/4 of the number is 3 more than 7. So they are telling y by 4 equals 7 plus 3. That is 3 more than 7. Again, read the question. Such that 1/4 of the number is 3 more than 7. So we got the equation. Let us solve it. So y by 4 equals 10. So we know y equals 10 into 4. Y equals 40. What happened here? We are multiplying both the sides by 4. So let us verify the answer. 40 divided by 4 equals 7 plus 3. 4 tens is 40. So 10 equals 10. So y equals 40 is the correct solution for this question. Next example. Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. Find Raju's age if father is 44 years old. They've given father's age. How much is it? Let us write down. Father's age is equal to 44. Okay. Then let us consider Raju's age to be as x. Okay. So here Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. So we will write 3 times Raju's age will be 3 into x, which is equal to 3x. Okay. So what they have said? 3 times 5 years more than 3 times. So 5 years 3 times more than Raju's age is father's age. So this is the equation we derived. Okay, let us solve this. Let us use transposing method. 3x equals 44 minus 5. 3x equals 39 x equals 39 divided by 3, which is 13. So let us verify. 5 plus 3x equals 44. I can rewrite this equation as 3x plus 5 equals 44. What is x? X is 13. 3 into 13 plus 5 equals 44. 13 into 3 is 39 plus 5 equals 44. Did I get 44 here? Yes. So, Raju's age is 13.